'Tis the season, and from December 2nd through January 2nd, 2025, WestPoint Home is offering an opportunity to finish up your holiday shopping and accomplish your New Year's resolution to start the new year with a fresh, clean home with one of our biggest sales of the year. December 2nd through January 2nd, 2025, enjoy huge savings with 50% off everything in the store. It's simply our way of saying Happy Holidays. And to help you save big on sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, apparel, and household accessories, all marked down 50% to wrap up this year and kick off the new year. Name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with 50% off everything in the store. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the holiday shopping savings begin.